This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study economy for UPSC. First, familiarize yourself with the detailed UPSC syllabus for economics. Next, start your preparation with NCERT textbooks, specifically those from classes 9 through 12. These books build a strong foundation by explaining core economic concepts clearly. Pay close attention to understanding terms like gross domestic product and inflation, as they are crucial for advanced topics. Once your foundation is solid, move on to standard textbooks for a more comprehensive understanding of economic theories and policies. Simultaneously, make it a habit to read economic newspapers and magazines daily. This practice is vital for staying updated on current affairs. Learn to connect these contemporary economic events with the static concepts you've studied, which is a key skill for UPSC. Consistent practice is paramount for success. Dedicate time to solving previous year's UPSC question papers to understand the exam pattern and question types. Create concise, easy-to-review notes for all important economic topics. Regularly participate in mock tests to evaluate your progress and identify areas needing improvement. This structured approach will significantly boost your confidence. For the actual exam, always prioritize understanding economic principles rather than just memorizing facts. Develop strong analytical and critical thinking skills to tackle complex questions effectively. Remember to maintain your well-being throughout this rigorous journey. Also, for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link and other deals in the description below. A balanced approach is key to achieving your UPSC goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.